Good morning, my dear student. Today we will do page number 86. In this page, you will learn to compare the object by using the word nearer and farther. In this page, there are two animals and tree. Here, what can we see? Lion is very near from the near to the tree, and the elephant is far away. So we can say lion is nearest to the tree and elephant is farther from the tree. Next, question is given here. Tick the object nearer to the boat and cross the object farther from the boat. Here what can we see? Here is boat. This side is swan, this side is fish. Here what can we see? Swan is nearer to the boat, so we will put here tick. Fish is farther from the boat, so we will put here cross. Next, nearest and farthest. There are three mice, and this side is cheese. This mouse is farthest from the cheese. This mouse is nearest to the cheese. So here we will put here tick. This mouse is nearest to the cheese. This is page number 87. Question is, tick the object nearest to the pole and cross the object farthest from the pole. Here is pole, this is car, this is scooter, this is boy. There are three objects. 1, 2, 3. Three objects we have to compare. Here, this boy is farthest from the pole and this car is nearest to the pole. So we can say the car is nearest to the pole. So we will put here tick, because tick the object nearest to the pole. This car is nearest to the pole. So we will put here tick. Car is nearest to the pole and this boy is farthest from the pole. So we will put here cross the farthest. Cross the object farthest from the pole. This boy is far away, so we will put here cross. The boy is farthest from the pole. Next, here measuring length. Some objects are given here: pencil, ruler and glue. Here pencil is dash pins long. We have to count here. These are pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pins. We can say the pencil is 6 pins long. So in the same way, this side is ruler. Ruler is dash matchstick long. These are matchstick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 matchstick long. So ruler is 7 matchstick long. Glue stick is dash erasers long. We will count the eraser. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Glue stick is 8 erasers long. Glue stick is 8 erasers long. Here are body parts. This is palm, this is hand, this is foot, this is finger, this is step. Step is used for longer object. For example, to measure the length and breadth of the classroom. So, this length is called one step. So, this step is used to measure longer object. Example, classroom, length of the classroom. Finger is used for measuring small object. Foot is used for measuring bigger object. Arms, handspan are used for measuring bigger object. For example, which body measure is suitable to measure the following? There are few questions. Your pencil box is foot or finger? Pencil box is smaller object, so we use finger. To measure the pencil box, length of the pencil box, we use finger. Your desk is bigger object, so we will use arm. Classroom is bigger object, so we will use step. In this way, we can solve this type of problem. Thank you.